Alright guys, so today I'll be simply showing you guys how to solder two wires together. The reason why guys will want to do this is because, well, you guys are doing a project and it's kind of nice to know how to solder. So here's my soldering iron. It's about 25 watts and it has a heat control down here, if you guys can see that. So it's heated up enough to the point where I can touch it here, get solder on it. So now, first off, I'm using Rosen electrical core solder. Highly recommended. So, so simply touch it on here to get the solder on there, and then put this aside. Put this down. So now, simply get the wires prepped. By doing so, simply put it up into like an X, like this. Now just simply put it flat and just simply wrap it around. I know you guys can barely see that, but I just kind of like wrapped it around. It's kind of messy, but so now it would also be very nice to have soldering holsters things, but I got the carpet for that. So simply take your soldering iron and put your solder first, physically touch it to the wire, touch it with your soldering iron, and then touch the soldering iron as it's doing that to the wire. As it starts to notice, it's actually getting solder on the wire. Keep on doing this process around, and I'll simply show you guys as I'm doing this. Sorry it's so far away, but I'm gonna start kind of like brushing it onto there. Kind of brush the solder on. I should get the hang of it pretty quick. There's actually a lot quicker ways with like flux, but I don't really have flux right now. And then that's actually a really, really poor job of soldering. I didn't take my time, and plus I couldn't really see Evan going from back here. So now simply let the wire cool down. Even the ends of this is pretty hot. And if you guys can see that, I kind of failed over here, so I guess I'll do this real quick. This side is actually really hot as well. I'm actually a lot better at this. I'm just not taking my time. Should have got it on the carpet. That's not good. That is exactly why I guys do not do this on the carpet. Well, there you go. It was a basic tutorial on how to solder. That was about a 4-minute video, but it's pretty quick at soldering, but very poor job if you guys can see that. Well, thanks for watching. I will actually be leaving this soldered. Well, I guess I'll keep you guys posted, and thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.